Hey guys, welcome to Nihao Motor online website. As you can see, this is the B2C page just for one-piece buyer. If you are a private buyer, you just want one piece or a couple of parts, congratulations, this is the right place for you. As you know, Nihao Motor is one of the biggest trading platforms for all kinds of spare parts used on Chinese motorcycles, scooters, moped, motocross, enduros, ATV, UTV, quads, and so on. We have Amazon, eBay, Aliexpress store as shown below. Nihao Motor B2C business expanded to all over the world rapidly. We accept multi-payment method and fast delivery service. Usually, it takes about 15 to 20 days for final delivery. Also, drop shipping accepted, no matter who and where you are. For example, just click this. You will direct to our AliExpress store. And for our eBay shops in different countries, click, you will see our eBay store directly. What are you waiting for? Just go and buy if you need. Thank you.